Maromo atamalo 40 mag nyiepo mag sirkal kaunti oyudore ni tiyo ka onge kod lony ataro machi kaluwore gi lipot madul marango rang'iny nyiepo kod uso The Kenya Institute of Supplies Management. Counties mathoth ondiko ji maonge gi lony mag tijego kendo jok machwalo tije koro tiyo ataro mar chik. Duol mar KISM okoni sani apedha menyo sekta 109 mag sirkal kama maromo atamalo 15 mag jok maonge lony. Thothne jotije mag KISM Kenneth Matiba Kaloso Naivasha olero ni lipod nonrono oyango ni sektas 20 mag migepe kod counties 13 yudore matek ka kembeji giwegi 21 kod masaga kod sirkal 55 duto onyiso chal marach mag achudhego.
116 practitioners found to be practicing without a license, and the disciplinary committee has determined that 93 cases amounting to 80% of them presents a prima facie case for professional misconduct and should proceed for the hearing. The Institute shall therefore initiate appropriate regulatory action to ensure compliance among the identified non-compliant officers. We urge all supply chain professionals in the public and private institutions to ensure that they meet the legal requirements regarding registration and licensing. Practicing without a license is an offense under the SPMA 2007 and may attract disciplinary measures.
It's a very big opportunity. There are about 33,000 schools in Kenya, most of whom actually do procurement not the right way, and they use people who are not licensed or registered as per se. So what are we doing? We are doing a very intentional partnership with the Ministry of Education, and we'll be meeting the CS at the ministry to just talk about how can we partner together to ensure value for money procurement and professionalism in the 33,000 schools. May not be all of them that can afford a supply chain professional, but we're working through agencies, through other procurement agencies that can actually come together to support these units across Kenya. So there's a big initiative we're working with the Ministry of Education. So it's very important.